Good morning class. How are you? I am Premlata, your geography teacher. Today we will discuss the last topic of 12th class geography chapter 4 human development. So in this topic we have discussed a lot of things: per capita income, literacy rate, gender ratio, so and so things. So today we will do the conclusion. We will be able to know that which countries are having higher human development index. So we will find that the smaller country, those countries who are having low income, are also having high human development index. So firstly, we will discuss with the help of 2 or 3 examples. We will take the examples of 2 or 3 families. Let me start the topic. International comparison. Today we will do the comparison among the countries. We can be compare among the states of our country. We can be compare among the 2 or 3 families of our localities. So we will be know that which countries are the developed countries, which countries are rich countries, and which countries are having the highest human development index. So here we are taking the example of 3 families A, B and C. So A family having per capita income 5,000, B 6,000, C 7,000. So which family is the richest out of these? C is the richest family. It is not essential that particular family has the highest human development index. If that family is not investing money on education, good health, other facilities. Next one, B. This family is also following the same method. If the family A investing a lot of money, providing different types of facilities to the people, like that education, health, and that family have good literacy rate, good life expectancy, then we can say that this family, with the help of the lowest per capita income, providing all the facilities and spending lot of money on social issues to welfare the societies, that country has the highest human development index. So in our today's topic, we will be discuss this thing, and we will be know that we are India state. Now we will take the example of India and its neighbors. In one series, and in the second series we are taking the example of Indian states. Maharashtra, Punjab and Kerala. So listen now. India and its neighbors. India is a large country having lot of resources. Sri Lanka is a small country in size also and in population also. So which country having highest human development among all 3? Sri Lanka. So we can apply that formula which we have discussed earlier now. Now we will discuss the comparison among the Indian states. You all are aware that Maharashtra state has the highest per capita income in India. Punjab state also has more per capita income than Kerala. But you know that Kerala has highest literacy rate, highest gender ratio, and lowest infant mortality rate than Punjab state. Are you getting what I am saying? Punjab state has more income, more per capita income than Kerala. But due to investment on health facilities and education and awareness among the people and give them protection, give them securities and provide them good habits and awareness among the societies, that state is the developed and has higher development index than Punjab and Maharashtra. Next one is prepare its report every year. On the behalf of all those indicators earlier we have discussed. So here we are discussing the UNDP report 2019. So according to all the indicators, it's prepare its reports and categorize all the countries, 118 countries into 4 categories. First one is very high human development index, above 0.800. 51 countries lies in this category. Next one is high development index, 7012, 799. 55 countries are lies in this category. Third one is medium, 550 up to 700 human development index. So 41 countries lies in this category. And lowest, the low countries in 4th categories, those countries lies which are having human development index below than 0.549. 41 countries lies in this category. Now question arises, where is India lies? So according to this report, India's rank is 130th. If we compare the development reports of 2016 with 19, then the human development index decrease of India because of India was at the rank of 126 during the time period of 2016. Now on the behalf of today's video, you will find out 15 very short questions. Thank you. Have a nice day.